Imagine communicating with AI so effectively that it understands you perfectly. Today, we will explore techniques that enhance interactions with ChatGPT. What we mean by advanced prompt techniques. These techniques help you get detailed responses from AI. They can elevate your conversations and produce precise answers. One powerful method is chain of thought prompting. This encourages AI to unravel complex ideas step by step. Instead of asking a simple question, guide it through the reasoning process. Next, we have few-shot prompting. This technique provides examples of expected outputs. For instance, share 2 or 3 examples to guide the AI. It will recognize patterns and provide more relevant responses. Now, let's discuss prompt chaining. This involves breaking down tasks into smaller prompts. Start with a broad question, then narrow down with follow-ups for clarity. Each of these techniques enhances your interaction with ChatGPT. By using these, you can achieve better results and more targeted information. Imagine you're writing a story. First, ask ChatGPT for a plot idea, then characters. This will help create a more engaging narrative. In our storytelling example, you used both chain of thought and prompt chaining. Each step clarified your direction, leading to a richer story. To summarize, advanced prompt techniques include chain of thought, few-shot prompting, and prompt chaining. They simplify complex tasks and make AI interactions smoother. Now you're equipped to enhance your conversations with ChatGPT. Start experimenting with these techniques today. Dive in and see how these methods transform your AI interactions. Happy prompting! In the next video we will discuss about writing emails and reports faster. Stay connected with us. Thank you.